Let's do the wheel brakes on this 2019 Jeep Cherokee. Here are the tools that you need. You're gonna use a jump pack and some alligator clip. And let's start by removing our brake rotor retaining screw. It is a 5mm Allen socket, sorry. And use a pick like this to disengage the parking brake actuator, because we're going to retract it. You can't compress a caliper without electronically retract it. So we don't have the skin tool, so we're gonna use this trick here to put the parking brake in service mode. We're going to put those pins in, make sure they don't contact each other. It's gonna create spark, and we're going to apply power to the parking brake so it can retract. There are times when you apply power, it will retract. If it retract, then you're good to go. You can compress it with the screwdriver. If it doesn't, meaning the parking brake is apply pressure to the rotor, then you're gonna have to reverse the polarity so it can fully retract and use the screwdriver to compress it. That's why I had to do it multiple times until I get it right, and I was able to compress it all the way, guys. As you guys see here, it's retracted. Then I'm gonna have to do it again so the piston can go further in. I'm gonna apply more power to it so it can fully 100% retract and compress it a little more with the screwdriver. All done. Now let's remove our caliper bolt. It is a 10mm. You're gonna need a vice grip or some wrenches, but in my case I'm gonna use a vice grip like this to hold it in place and break the bolt free, because the pin have a tendency to spin while you're taking the bolt off. Let's put our caliper on the side with the pin as an assembly. Now let's remove those two bolts here. Those are 8mm Allen socket like this to break it free. Let's remove our caliper bracket. Use a hammer like this to tap the rotor because it seized on the hub. Use a wire brush like this to clean the hub. Take the rust off. Let's clean up a little bit. Let's take the rust protection off the new rotor. You can use soap, warm water, or brake cleaner. Now let's take our old clip out of the caliper bracket so you can clean them. You take all four of them and pay attention to the orientation of them because they have to go in a certain way. Use a wire brush like this to clean it up. Here it is. Here the clip. Pay attention to this. Take a picture of it, screenshot it if you have to, for the orientation of the clip. They only go in a certain way. Only go in one way. Perfect. let's grease our caliper pin. Put the caliper bracket in. Now let's grease our new brake pad. Pay attention to the I'm putting the new brake pad in, because they go in a certain way. You put it sideways first. It will be the same for both sides. Let's put our caliper in. It will be the same thing. We're gonna use the vice grip to hold the pin in place while we're tightening the bolt. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. But before you do that, plug in your caliper actuator in. Thanks for watching.